Hi, I wanted to go over this request for a tax return notice letter that a taxpayer received from the Franchise Tax Board. And this usually happens when you got some income, you received some income. In this situation, it's like a retired gentleman that's getting some pension um, income along with his wife. And, they thought that they didn't have to file. And here they see a letter. So the letter actually guides you pretty well. You have a couple options. Option one is pretty self-explanatory. I already filed the tax return. If you already filed, check in with your tax preparer. Hey, did you click send? On that button, because sometimes they forget to click send. That's actually kind of the best case scenario because if you just file that, that takes care of that. Option two is I need to file a return. You have to file, you just haven't filed. You definitely want to get that going. Option three is what I want to focus on, is where you're not sure. You're not sure if you have a filing requirement. This chart here guides you to the steps that will help you determine whether or not you have a California filing requirement. I want to focus on the first step because it's probably one of the most important ones, which is the gross income filing requirement. If you made this much income, above this much income, you need to file. Below it, probably not. Um, on the next page of this letter, it has the actual chart with the gross income filing numbers. This is for 2021, so I looked it up. Start on the leftmost column with your filing status. For example, this gentleman, they are married, so here we are. Work your way to the right. We're on the gross income column. Work your way down. Dependents, no dependents. We're on this zero column, and then you want to reference the age column. So these taxers are both, but actually one of them is 65, the other is not. So here they are, and then that puts us at here 45K, which is a good starting point. If you made more than 45K, you have to file. Contact those payees, that pension, that little job W2 that you worked. Get those W2s and get those returns filed.